EITI, escrow period, MLS, purchase agreement, assessed value, appraised value. Am I speaking English? When you've been in the realm of real estate for a while, you get used to using terms like these, and it's easy to forget that they might not be common knowledge to most people. I'm completely guilty of vomiting real estate lingo all over people and realizing that it can sound like I'm speaking a foreign language. And a 10-minute video explaining all the terms in detail is not what you're here for today, but I will start with a major one, and that is equity. What is equity and how do you build it? Home equity is the portion of your home that you truly own. It's the difference between your home's value and what you owe on your mortgage. You build equity in two main ways, and one is paying down your mortgage, and the other is through the home value appreciation, which here in the Bay Area is an absolute beast compared to most other cities in the nation. Want to build equity faster? Try making extra mortgage payments. Even one extra payment per year can make a huge difference over the lifetime of the loan. Just make sure to notify your bank that you want all that extra to go toward the principal and not the interest. Renovations can also boost your equity. Focus on upgrades that increase your home's value, like kitchen and bathroom updates. Also, avoid taking out additional debts against your home. This is going to help preserve that equity that you've built up over time. So equity matters because it increases your financial security. Once you've built significant equity, you can access it through home equity loans or lines of credit. But remember, these use your home as collateral, so borrow wisely. Selling your home in 2025, or you know someone who is, be sure to connect us and send me a DM. Happy New Year, folks. Another great year in real estate is ahead of us, and it's time to start planning right now.